The Anatomy of a New Roof, a comprehensive breakdown series. Roof flashing is a vital component of a roofing system, designed to prevent water infiltration at various vulnerable points. Roof edges are vulnerable to water damage from runoff. Drip edge flashing is installed along the eaves and rakes to direct water into the gutters and away from the roof edge. Step flashing is used where the roof meets a vertical wall, such as along the sides of dormers, or where a roof meets a second-story wall. The joints between dormer walls and the roof are susceptible to water infiltration. Vents and pipes protruding through the roof for plumbing, heating, or ventilation systems need flashing to prevent water from entering around their bases. A specially designed flashing piece, often called a pipe boot, is installed around the vent or pipe. The base of the flashing is secured to the roof, and the upper part is sealed around the vent or pipe, directing water away from the penetration point. Chimneys penetrate the roof surface, creating potential entry points for water. Flashing around chimneys seals the gap between the chimney and the roof, preventing water from entering the roof structure. Ready to upgrade your roof or have questions about roofing components? Reach out to TC Backer Construction today. Our team of experts is here to assist you with all your home's exterior needs.
TC Backer, TC Backer.